not even the ground beneath your feet. Its machines are nothing to me. A childish fantasy. They will see. Strange. I'd expected more. I'm burying myself so far down that no one ever finds me. It was going to be mine. It was all going to be mine. My discovery, my recognition. I was the one who paid the gold. You saved.
doctor. He's dead. I didn't think I'd ever get to say that. You, my friend, are a hero. Again and again, you do the impossible. You got us here. And the end is coming. at safe haven. Take stock. Talk more there.
You have it! Yummy hand! Then... we can do this. It's... you have no idea what this means. It's everything! You've done what none of us ever could. Given us hope. And believe me, down here, it's worth something. Take a minute to catch your breath. I'm sure the others would love to talk with you. Dowie and I will be in the generator room whenever you're ready. Good. You're here. Let's get started. Losing the doctor? It'll have gotten the prototype's attention. He'll be scared. He knows he's losing now. And the orphans are all he has. Now's the time to get to the Foundation. Make everything ready.
Look, we need to talk about this. We shouldn't... just give it a second.
Ollie? You there? What's...
He's outside!
Ollie?
He's outside!
Who? Who's... oh no. You need to distract him, Dowie. Please. Keep him away from here.
Without the generator...
I know, but he can't get in here. Not now. Just buy us some time. You'll have to fix the generator. Work quickly. You won't have a lot of time.
But I...
Trust us, Dowie. Trust me.
Just get the generator working. Please.
I'll try to gather the others. Keep them safe. Ollie, if you can hear me, work with our friend here.
Aye, aye, Captain.
You can do this.
You heard her. Now let's get to it. First, you'll want to open the access panel on the generator. It's just a little door on the outside of the machine. Use the Omni hand. Whenever you're ready, flip the breaker switch. But be aware. Grab an external resistor. Attach that to the capacitor bank. Now use the Omni tool to override the generator's chip. Pull it! Nice. Now put in a new one. It's done. We did it. Good.
You did it. Thank you isn't nearly enough. No word from Dowie. Whatever happened out there? I'm sure of it. We shouldn't wait anyway. Head for the Foundation. Plant the explosives. Meet back here after. We'll go over what comes next.